Hi, I'm Al Martinez. We're often asked, so why do Microchip's EEPROMs cost a bit more? The answer, we make a better part. Before we ship, we test every bit on every EEPROM hundreds, sometimes thousands of times. We call it the Microchip triple test. Let's look at some results. We bought two of our competitors' parts and our own parts from a distributor. Here in our lab, we cycle the memory content 2 million times at 85 degrees Celsius. And we tested for bad parts every 100,000 cycles. Notice two things. First, both the other suppliers lost parts at the very first read point. That's called early life failure. And after 2 million read points, one supplier had no working parts left in their batch at all. Microchip hadn't lost a single part. At Microchip, we found that while anyone can ship ICs, the trick is to have none of them come back as broken parts. We call this a bathtub curve because it looks like a bathtub. It's an integrated circuit's lifetime. Let's say 1 million units passed all the tests and were shipped out to customers. Of these 1 million parts, some just barely pass the factory test and break quickly. Here in the middle are the working parts. And out here, some working parts fail with age. Our triple testing works here, less early failures, and less age failures. Let me step you through our triple test. Our first test is first wafer probe. This is where the heavy lifting is done. We quickly eliminate any dead parts. Then every die we think is good gets up to 5,000 erase write cycles on every bit in that memory. We then bake the wafers at 250 degrees Celsius for up to 24 hours, using heat to overstress the memory cells. For test 2, we reprobe the wafer, and we measure the charge strength of the memory cell. If the charge strength has changed noticeably on any memory cell, that part is marked as bad. Our testing shows that these bad parts often become early life or late life failures. We then package the IC and do test 3 on the final part right before it ships. You've seen the results. We've pushed the front end of our bathtub curve down to around 0.2 parts per million. That's 2 early failures in every 10 million units we ship, and no failures after 2 million cycles measured here in our lab. Yes, it costs us a bit more to add our triple test, but we know it's worth it, and we're proud to sell the best EEPROMs we can possibly ship. For more information, please visit our website at microchip.com/EEPROM.